Hello YouTube, welcome to my garage. It's been almost a year since I've done any videos. I haven't done much to the car this winter. Decided to take a break and didn't really do anything. So the last thing I did was the shift handle, or sorry, the brake handle. And happy to say everything's working out great. The car doesn't have any problems. So I just decided not to mess with it this winter. Um, so today I did get some new parts in. So there's a company called Magic Drill Press. I saw that they had done some ads on a couple of the Facebook groups. They also have, or the person has an eBay also an account. So I bought a couple things. So the two things they make that I wanted to get was this throttle bracket. I don't think I'm going to install that today, but it is a kind of a cool aluminum machine piece. It's supposed to be able to do have a couple adjustments with the stock, middle, and fast is what these are. I decided I'm not going to do that today because it does have good instructions on how to do it. It does say that you might have to adjust some throttle cable. So I decided, I'm just not going to do that today. It is really hot, over 100 degrees. I don't have AC in my garage, and so I don't know if I can be out here under the car, under the pedal, adjusting throttles and all that. The other one that I had purchased, this one on eBay, it's called a front Aero fill plate. Also comes with good instructions. And so I think the first thing that we got to do is lift this car up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, we got the car up. And looks like what's in this, looks like there's a couple of plates, so threaded tabs. I'll put the what these are actually called, a couple washers and a couple of machine screws, and then the plates themselves. Looks like aluminum, some bent parts, and a hole already. So looking under the car, on the back, I actually have the rear ones already. This is made by Difflow, so I bought the aftermarket rear diffuser, which has this part. It does take an extra step to remove this lower back portion. There's just another step to take out a screw. So it adds one more step on each side over like what a factory would do. So I believe this next piece will kind of close off this area. So do the same here and here. Let's hope I kind of parked the car on here kind of crooked, so there's plenty of room on this side, but let's hope I have enough room on this side. So let me grab one, let me fit it up and see what it looks like. Alright, so the first step of the instruction, get the car up. It said don't need to take the wheels off. It says remove one bolt and loosen one bolt. So those are these two bolts and these two bolts. So let me go ahead and... Alright, much better. So take this guy off. Okay, actually I'm just gonna go ahead and take this part out too. Well, maybe I'll just leave it there. Didn't say to take it off. And then they said to loosen this one. Okay, that's loosened. Alright, so I think they're saying, I got that right. I think it's going to be like this. Okay. So, all right. So, following the instructions, so basically they say fitting this up. And then so line up the pre-drilled hole at the front of the fill plate with the bolt removed. Then replace the front bolt, but do not tighten. All right. All right, let's see if I can find this. All right. All right. All right, that actually fits nice. I'm going to give it a couple taps. All right. So I think that's going to be how I have it lined up. So it does go under this C channel. I'll show you the other side. There's a little channel right here. This lives right there. And I think I'm basically going to be marking this hole, scooch it back out, and then drilling it. All right, so I marked the hole, and then I took the plate back off. So this is about where it's going to be. I'm going to go ahead and center punch it. Right there. And then a 1/4-inch drill bit. All right, so these are called speed clips, and then they also have a little, what do they call this? Little spacer. Spacer. The spacer goes. Okay. I don't know why I had so much problem with that one, but I end up replacing the speed screw and everything bolted up right, so looks pretty good. So I think I either stripped this one out or it came bad, but let me get a tap and die, or get a tap and see if I can clean it up to use on the other side. All right, so as you guys might have seen in the video, I ended up installing this one, and for some reason the spacer fell out, so I had to reinstall again. And that speed nut on one of them just kept either I'm going in sideways or it's deformed. It kept stripping, so I had to clean it out. But you can see the fitment looks pretty good. Side, see, and even right here is a little divot, matches. Tighten everything down. So I didn't have to do any modification other than the 2 holes. Now you may not want to drill your car. This car has a couple holes already drilled for the side skirt, and then there's a reinforcement mount for the shifter. So these little holes on the C channel here, I wasn't too worried about. Can possibly improve this maybe if you put a nutsert in there. But then again, these speed nuts, again, one of them worked really easy. This one didn't install with any issue. This one, the first one I used, ended up having to clean the threads up a little bit and get it installed. But anyways, that's a quick video with this. So I am going to stop this video here, and thank you for following along.